Hello students, this is 5th class maths chapter number 3 large numbers. Student, in this chapter first we have to look at this table. This is in your book, number and number name. Here numbers are increasing 10 times. Yes, like that 1, 10, 100, 1000, like this. And the number names are here. What is this? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In international system, 100,000, 10 lakh or million. Then this is crore or 10 million. This is 10 crore or 100 million. Next is, yes, every number is 10 time increasing. 100 crore or billion. Yes, come to the Indian place value chart. Yes, this is chart. This given in your book, and Indian place value divided into the 4 part. First is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Yes, ones period divided into the 3 period: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousand period divided into the 2 thousands, 10,000s. Lakh period also divided into the 2 lakhs, 10 lakh. Next is crores period also divided into the 2 periods, crores and 10 crores. Yes student, come next, international place value chart. This chart divided into the 3. First is ones period, thousands period, then million period. Ones period divided into the 3 parts: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period also divided into the 3 parts: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions period also divided into the 3 parts: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Yes student, come to the exercise 3A. In first question, write in short form. Yes, this expanded form is given, and how we will write this given expanded form in short form? What is this? 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. In short form, we will write like this: 54,321. Come to the next. If you will write down this expanded form into the short form, this will be 9,75,352. Like this student, it is very easy. You can do yourself. Rest of the part you have to do yourself. And this work you have to do in your book because space is there. Come to the question number 2. Write in the expanded form. Short form is given. How you will write this? This short form is 39,635. First we will write 30,000, then 9 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 5. Yes, next you will solve like this: 2,70,000, 2,000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 8. Yes. In addition form you have to write expanded form. Like this student, you can solve rest of the part yourself. Yes. Next is write in figures. Student, blocks are given, period blocks are given in your book. This question also you have to do in your book. A, 60,235. 60,000 we will write this in 1000 block. 235. B part, 4,55,749. 4,55,749. Like this you have to fill these blocks. Come to the question number 4. Write in figures. Student, in third question we have to use Indian system. In fourth question we have to write in figures in international system. In A part, what is this? 561,000. Yes, fill the blocks. 561,000. Like this you will fill. Come to the B part. 200,978. 200,978. Student, the rest of the part you have to solve. You have to do this question in your book. Yes, students, from question number 1 to 4, all the questions you have to do in your book. And question number 5 you have to do in your notebook because no space is there. What is given in 5? Write in figures in your notebook. In A part, 5,49,373. How you will write this? Yes, 5,49,373. Like this you will write in figure. Yes, look at the B part. 74,05,948. Yes, 74,05,948. Yes, C part, what is given? 3,09,23,205. How you will write down this? 3,09,29,205. Like this you will solve rest of the part, student. You can solve yourself. You have to solve this question number 5 in your notebook. Yes. Question number 6. Write in words using the Indian system of numeration. Students, you know Indian system. Lakh, 10 lakh, like this we have to use. Yes, I am taking here F part. What is given? It will be easy if we will put the commas here according to Indian system. Yes, F part is here. 95 lakh 40,458. And G part, yes, if you will put the comma, it will be easy to write down the values. G part is here. 5 crore 72 lakh 35,471. In question number 7, write the number names using international system of numeration. Yes, student. First part is here. First part, we will put the comma according to international system. What is that? 437,941. Come to the B part. Yes, put the comma. After this we will start 701,286. C part is here. 5 million. Yes, after putting commas, 5,320,000 5,844. Yes. What is there in question number 8? Rewrite the numbers with commas separating the periods using first the Indian system and then the international system of numeration. Student, we can make like this column you can make for one for the Indian system and second for the international system. Given numbers by putting commas, write down like this. First is there 5,12,356, and after putting commas in international system, what will be that? 512,356, like this. Yes, by commas you can separate in Indian system and international system. Rest of the part, student, you have to do yourself. Student, 5, 6, 7 you will do, 5, 6, 7, 8 you will do in your notebook, and come to the question number 9. Space is there, that's why from 9 to 11 you will do in your book. Write 4 consecutive numbers that come after. Yes. First is given 79,697. What will come after? We have, if we will add 1 here, 79,698. After this, 79,699. And after this, 79,700. Fourth one is 79,701. Like this, student, you can find out the values of all parts. Come to the question number 10. Write the procedure of. Yes, first already solved 65,000. What is the previous number of this? 64,999. We can find out this value also if we will subtract 1 from the given number. B part, what is given? 1,41,000. If you will subtract 1, previous number will be 1,40,999. Like this, student, you can easily find out the value. Yes. Come to the question number 11. Write the successor of. Yes. A part already solved, 49,000. What will be that? If you in successor, we have to write down the next one number. Means we have to add 1. 49,001. In B part, 68,099. If you will add here 1, 68,100. And then next, if you will add 1 here, then you will get the value 48. If you will add here 1, 8,40,000. Yes, you have to add 1 for the successor number. Student, rest of the part you have to do in your homework. Thank you.